Ikra, which means read, is the first word of the first verse revealed to Prophet Muhammad wasallam, emphasizing the pivotal role of education in advancing communities. At Modaha Educational Trust by Aleaks, profoundly known as Meta, which has embodied this principle with steadfast dedication. Welcome to Meta's inspiring journey throughout the 2023-2024 session. The vision is to create an inclusive environment where education transforms lives. Meta is committed to enhancing educational standards, fostering personal development, and empowering leadership skills. Through education, we unlock the potential of every individual, paving the way for a brighter future of our community, society, and nation. The introduction of state-of-the-art library facilities has significantly enhanced competitiveness in our region, providing essential resources for all students. Equipped with smart technologies like printers, projectors, laptops, tablets, and unlimited Wi-Fi, Meta's library prepares students with the tools they need to excel academically and embrace digital learning. Meta's scholarship programs are a cornerstone of the commitment to educational excellence, supporting students from underprivileged backgrounds and fostering a competitive spirit and educational awareness. These initiatives inspire students to aim higher, excel, and realize their full potential, ensuring equal access to educational opportunities. Meta's flagship programs such as Zenith and ICRA have been pivotal in transforming our students in remarkable ways. Through diverse activities including speech, debate, Islamic speech, quizzes, Islamic quizzes, and essay writing, these programs have significantly boosted our students' confidence, honed their public speaking abilities, enhanced their critical thinking, and contributed to their overall personality development.
He left behind his legacy is a guide for us in his
आज का टॉपिक है कि इस्लाम ऑनेस्टी एंड ट्रूथफुलनेस
अच्छा, ये बारिश का पानी है, ऐसे आएगा। ये ड्रॉप चालू कर दो, फुल है। The Student Coordinator Program empowers participants with leadership roles, fostering management and organizational skills crucial for future challenges. This program cultivates accountability and initiative, preparing students to excel in professional environments and contribute meaningfully to society. Apart from celebrating the great stalwart of educational pioneering, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sir Syed Day provides a significant platform for students of Modaha region, including current AMU students, to showcase their public speaking, leadership, and management skills. This event is highlight of our calendar, bringing together students, educators, and community members to honor the legacy of Sir Syed. During Sir Syed Day, students have the opportunity to demonstrate their abilities in a variety of ways. They engage in public speaking, presenting their ideas and perspectives with confidence and clarity. They also take on leadership roles, organizing and managing the event under the guidance of their seniors. This hands-on experience is invaluable, allowing students to develop essential skills that will serve them well in the future individuals. The Ramadan quiz, featuring events like Islamic quiz and PowerPoint presentations, enhances Islamic cultural understanding in a modern context. This initiative encourages students to explore and communicate Islamic teachings with clarity and relevance, fostering pride and identity among participants. Meta offers free test series to entrance exam aspirants, enabling them to access and enhance their readiness for academic challenges. This support boosts confidence and equips students with strategies for success, ensuring they excel in their academic pursuits. Mentorship from senior AMU alumni guides younger students, providing insights and personalized guidance to navigate educational and career paths. This mentorship fosters a supportive community where knowledge is shared, inspiring students to pursue excellence and make informed decisions about their futures. In conclusion, META extend heartfelt gratitude to all esteemed members and respected seniors for their unwavering support aligned with the educational mission of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Together, we lead our region towards academic and personal excellence, shaping a brighter future for our community and beyond.
मौदाद की नुमाइंदगी बहुत पुरानी है 1924 याद करिए आप लोग प्रोग्राम एंड आई वाज सिंस द वेरी फर्स्ट डे आई वाज विद देम
अमन पे हम मोहब्बत फातेह आलम यकीन मौकम अमन पे हम मोहब्बत फातेह आलम जिहाद जिंदगानी में है ये मर्दों की शमशीरें
मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुलू गुलजार होता है।